Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Youth Man. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing as well as a brief overview of Monoprice's brand new Monolith THX speaker system. Now, this is a 5.1 speaker system, so we've got 5 mini tower or bookshelf speakers with built-in up-firing Dolby Atmos speakers built into them, as well as a matching 12-inch subwoofer. So enough talking, let's get to unboxing. All right, so the first speaker we're going to unbox is the mini towers. So I'm only going to unbox one of these because the other one's going to be exactly the same. Now, I believe these are the set that came from the CEDIA convention. So it may not be kind of the way that you're going to get it if you were to buy it. Cool. It's kind of a rounded speaker. It's actually a pretty big speaker. Really wasn't expecting it to be that big. So here's what we're going to do. Typically, I'll just flip the box upside down, lift it up from there. Probably just some warranty kind of stuff. Nice thick styrofoam. Got our little Dolby Atmos speaker up top. Slide the speaker grill out. Check and see if those are magnetic, just curious. So that is magnetic. So definitely I like that. All right, cool. All right, let's go ahead and get the smaller surrounds unboxed. And again, we'll just unbox one of these. Same way, we'll lay it down, flip it upside down. Speaker grill, we'll just lay that off to the side. All right, so very similar. All right, so next we'll unbox the center channel. Some more foam. Okay, this is a little bit different here. So we'll take this off. See what we got. So center channel, front cover there. All right, so I was thinking that this was an LCR, basically where you'd have 3 identical towers, but this is more designed for, or to use as a horizontal center channel, which is totally fine. Typically, a lot of people don't have the room to do 3 towers, or in this case, even 3 mini towers. So this is going to lay down like this. So once again, 1 inch, 2 inch, and then our 2 6.5s. Then if we flip it around, we've got our dual binding post there. All right, so now let's go ahead and get the subwoofer over here and get it unboxed. I can actually see right here, there's a little bit of scratches. Again, these were used at CEDIA, so they were moved around quite a bit as well as shipped. So not gonna hold that against them. Just glad to get them in for the review. All right, and the final speaker is the subwoofer. So let's go ahead and get this one unboxed. So we do have a double box, which is good. And again, you can see it's already been opened because this, like I said, this setup was actually used at CEDIA 2019. Let's go ahead and flip it over. We got some white gloves here. We won't be needing those. Down to the bottom, we have a power cable. So we got these corner pieces. That's always good when a company has those. It protects the subwoofer. It definitely has some scrapes and such. Got some little dings from the trade show. So again, we won't hold that against them. I knew up front it wasn't going to be a brand new subwoofer from the factory. So there we have the speaker grill. Really nice thick piece of wood there. All right, let's go ahead and flip this over. And here we go. A little bit smaller than the M215, right? I think this will fit a lot easier in somebody's home. All right, guys, now that we have this unboxed, let's go ahead and take a look at the specs. On the far outside, we have the THX 265B bookshelf speaker with Dolby Atmos. Now, these speakers are THX certified with a 1-inch silk dome tweeter on the front, a 6.5-inch high excursion woofer down below, and then on the top for the Dolby Atmos, we have a 5.25-inch woofer. These speakers have an 86 decibel sensitivity, 65 hertz to 24 kilohertz frequency response. They measure 15.4 inches by 9.7 inches by 10.8 inches, weigh 21.4 pounds, and are currently $319.89 each. Moving towards the middle, we have the THX 365T Mini Tower with Dolby Atmos. On the front, we have a 1-inch Silk Dome tweeter, a 2-inch Silk Dome mid-range driver, and a pair of 6.5 high excursion woofers. On the top for Atmos, we have a 0.6-inch Silk Dome tweeter and a 5.25 Atmos woofer. The mini towers have a sensitivity of 89.5 decibels, has a frequency response from 65 Hz up to 24 kHz, measures 22.9 inches by 9.7 inches by 10.8 inches, weighs 28.4 pounds, and is currently $449.99 for each speaker. At the very top, we have the THX 365C center channel. It has a 1-inch Silk Dome tweeter, a 2-inch Silk Dome mid-range driver, and a pair of 6.5-inch high excursion woofers. The center channel is 89.5 decibel sensitivity, has a frequency response of 65 Hz to 24 kHz, measures 9.7 inches by 22.9 inches by 10.8 inches, weighs 26.4 pounds, and currently is $359.99. And lastly, we have the Monolith M12 subwoofer. On the front, we have the 12-inch woofer in a sealed HDF enclosure. Then on the back, we have the 500-watt continuous, 900-watt peak amplifier. In THX mode, it will extend down to 20 Hz, and in extended mode, we get a frequency response down to 18 Hz. The unit measures 19.7 inches by 15.4 inches by 16.7 inches, weighs 62.4 pounds, and is currently $829.83. Now, Monoprice has produced some really great products over the past several months in the home theater space. Products like the 11X 11-channel amplifier that I've reviewed here on the channel. I've also reviewed their 15-inch ported subwoofer, and recently that big beast of a subwoofer, the M215. So if you haven't checked out those videos, I'll link to a playlist right here. So be sure to check those out. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the future videos on this THX system. And as always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.